So we're going to find the derivative of arcsine of square root of x. As a reminder, in general, the derivative of arcsine, so I'll do it with a t over here, is 1 over square root of 1 plus t squared. So we're going to apply that rule here to this one, except now we're dealing with square root of x. So that makes this a chain rule. So when I go to calculate my y prime, and don't forget to write y prime, we don't want to just have an expression sitting out there. We have 1 over the square root of 1 plus square root of x squared. Don't forget that square. A lot of people just forget it. I don't think they do it intentionally. It's just so much else going on, it's easy to forget. And then we got to do the derivative of square root of x, or x to the 1/2. So this can be simplified a little bit. So we have 1 over the square root of 1 plus square root of x squared is just x. And the derivative of square root of x, or x to the 1/2, is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. So we can do a little bit of rewriting here. You don't have to. This would be fine for a final answer. It is the correct derivative. But if you see what we have here, we have 1 over the square root of 1 plus x times 1 over 2 times 1 over the square root of x. One of the nice properties of radicals is we can put this x under this radical, because we can write this all on the same denominator. So what this would look like is 2 square root of x square root of 1 plus x. And then we'd have 1 over 2 times the square root of x times 1 plus x. And finally, we would distribute this x here. So we could rewrite this as 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus x squared. Not necessary for the gateway. We had the complete derivative up here. We could stop at this point.